Hi, how to uninstall a program on Windows 7. To do that, you go on Start menu, click on Start menu and go to Control Panel, click on Control Panel, then come here Programs. It says Uninstall a program. So click on Uninstall a program. You will come to this page then, which you have installed all the softwares or whatever you've installed. You can delete them from here. So for example, I wanna delete or uninstall a program. Let's see, I want to go for this. Click on it and come here, uninstall, continue, uninstall and close. Sometimes the computer does ask you to restart the computer, but sometimes it doesn't. So the other thing, if you haven't got a program here, you can do it from here. Go to my computer, go to your drive, open it and program files, and here find the program and delete it, or if it's not there you can have a look in there. So find it in here and delete it.